It's Monday, 6th January, and the markets experienced a bearish start to the week. Investors remain cautious. With important economic data and corporate earnings on the horizon, traders are keeping a close watch. Stay tuned for the updates of the day. The Nifty closed lower by 388 points at 23,616, while the Sensex shed 1,258 points to end at 77,964. A significant decline was witnessed, with 3,466 stocks falling and only 662 advancing. All sectoral indices ended in the red, with PSU Bank down by 4%, while metal, realty, energy, power, and oil and gas sectors fell by 3% each. Apollo Hospitals, Tata Consumer, Titan Company, HCL Technologies, and ICICI Bank were the gainers, providing some positive momentum. On the downside, Tata Steel, Trent, BPCL, NTPC, and Coal India were among the biggest losers, contributing to the market's decline. The rupee hit a record low of 85.84 against the US dollar on Monday, weighed down by weak domestic equity markets, limited foreign inflows, and a stronger dollar globally. Closing at 85.8275, down 0.1% for the day, the currency breached its December low amidst persistent dollar demand in spot and forward markets. Standard Glass Lining Technologies IPO witnessed 13.32 times subscription in day one. Non-institutional investors led the charge with a staggering 25.42 times oversubscription, followed by retail investors at 14.46 times. Qualified institutional buyers showed steady interest, subscribing to 1.82 times their reserved shares. Titan Company showcased an impressive 24% year-on-year growth in Q3 bolstered by robust festive demand. The jewelry segment led the charge, with domestic sales surging 25%. This growth was fueled by a combination of increased buyer activity and notable upticks in average ticket sizes, underscoring a strong consumer sentiment during the festive season. The broader markets underperformed significantly today, with the Nifty Mid-Cap 100 sliding 2.7% and the Small-Cap 100 dropping 3.2%. This steep decline highlights waning investor confidence in mid- and small-cap stocks, signaling caution in broader market participation. Gold prices stabilized near $2,645 on Monday after an early 2025 surge, consolidating amid elevated U.S. yields and geopolitical developments. Markets remain cautious, with a packed economic calendar ahead, including Friday's U.S. non-farm payrolls report. Geopolitical shifts, like Italy's direct diplomacy with Trump and rumors of Canadian PM Trudeau's resignation, add intrigue. ICICI Securities has agreed to pay 40.2 lakh rupees to settle a case with the SEBI regarding alleged violations of stockbroker rules. The settlement, which was made without admitting or denying the charges, comes after ICICI Securities proposed to resolve the matter under SEBI's settlement regulations. Jagsonpal Pharmaceuticals is set for a 1:5 stock split, with the record date scheduled for tomorrow, 8th January 2025. Investors looking to benefit from the split must hold shares before this date. The stock has seen impressive growth, rising 55.8% over the past year, making it a notable player in the market. SEBI has updated settlement norms for inactive client accounts, aligning them with monthly or quarterly cycles. This change aims to simplify processes, reduce inefficiencies, and address broker concerns while ensuring investor protection and smoother business operations. And that wraps up for today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for the latest market insights.